2A God and Guns coming to you from Rocky Mount, Missouri. Got a little fun project here. That's the trash and material hauling barge. Little house here we've been doing a little paint and powder on. I'll go through it more a little later, but that thing was working its way toward the water.
I cleaned up a bit when I was here too.
Cool. That's Joe. Say hi, Joe.
Hi, Joe.
What's up? You two. Who are you going to say hello to out there in the cyber web there, buddy?
Myself, Ben. Obviously.
Who else is out there special?
Richie.
Your kids?
Yeah, kids.
What's up, kids?
I need a knife.
You need a knife. He needs a knife. So
Something.
we're going to take this barge. Eventually, we got one more slider to replace up there. And we're going to take this barge back to the other place by water. Pushed it over here with the jet ski, so that was kind of cool. I don't know, living the dream. Sunshine, work to do, beautiful day, gorgeous day. Jet ski is definitely coming out here, probably here at lunch break. And then we'll just see how cold that water is at the Lake of the Ozarks.